Hi everyone, welcome back to Team Grant's channel. Today's lesson is about ranking as a function. So you can use this to do so many things. Like for the businesses, you can use this to rank the quotas, products, even the OKRs, how the team performing. And to teachers and tutors, this is more important to you because this is where you can rank students. For instance, the data I have here is for the scores against a certain examination that was done out of 100, and I now want to rank them. Most importantly, you have to know of the 20 entries, they are entered helter-skelterly, and we are going to see which is the best performing. Now, let's dive into our lesson. So we start by saying equals to rank. Now, the number is this, then comma, then the reference is the set array that you want. So I'll do this, shift control down, then I say comma. Now, I want it in ascending or descending. So when you say descending, it's ascending of the scores. So I will say descending order so that number 1 to be up and you close, then you enter. When you do that, let me just bring it up. You can see this is number 3. Now I want this to remain without alteration when I will be filtering and arranging. So for the array, see the part in red, I will say functional key F4 to lock. I've not locked the number, I've only locked the array. So functional key F4 to lock, then you enter. So when I use drag filler by double clicking down, already I have it. And let me just convert this to a table so that we can see something. Shift down, then I've turned this to a table. So if you see this, you can now come and say smallest to largest. You can see when I use 0 here, it gives me the ranking in number 1, 2, because I've picked on descending of the marks. Remember the array is the mark there. If I change this to 1, that is the ascending here, then what do I get? If you apply to all, now the vice versa. So always if you want to know the top performing, then it should say in descending order. And just for your understanding, I can display for you the formula here that you may understand much better how it's done. So just say formula text, then you close and you enter. So this is the formula that we're using in ranking. If you like our video and you've learned something, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.